Hey everybody, welcome back. It is an absolutely gorgeous day brought to you here by Mother Nature. Sun is shining, very little wind. Very unexpectedly warm, and I'm just doing a little video here. This is gorgeous Pictou County. Oh my God, there's the river. I think you can see there in the background that trim of white. That's a little bit of snow left. The train track. I'm on the Albion Trail. What a gorgeous place to be. The building with the blue is your big 8 pop dispensary people. I got the big Sobeys building there, but it's still priceless. The highway out there, you can see the signs. Down the trail is where I'm going today. But this is breathtaking. It really is. That strip of blue, that river there, is to die for. This is why I'm outside. This is the reason why.